So I'm feeling like a candy cane today because it is the holiday season and I am so grateful that you're here. Thank you for joining me. My name is Nicole from Nicole Beauty Co. If you haven't been here before, I welcome you to my channel, and if you're a repeat offender, thank you for sticking around. I appreciate it. Today we're going to get into a very quick holiday look using my new Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and we're going to use a Ciate of London Glitter Flip Lipstick in Scandal, and of course my typical Anastasia of Beverly Hills products for my brows, Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder for my face, my NARS Free Lover palette, and of course a little touch, a kiss of Moon Glow by e.l.f. I love their shimmer. So stick with me and see how we build it up. Hey, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to my channel. Obviously my face is primed, my brows are done. I have a little bit of eye primer on, and that eye primer is new. And that's my Laura Mercier Eye Basics eyeshadow primer in the color Linen. And congratulations to Rod is My Muse 82, who won that in one of my last giveaways. Okay, so let's dive right in. The first color we're going to go in with is this beautiful deep color. I would call that a true red. And we're gonna go into the crease with that true red, and that particular color goes by the name of Panjin. And I wanna pack Panjin on my lower lid, because I'm looking for really deep saturation. And I'm just taking my Sephora airbrush shadow, and I am started out making a half circle and just fading that half circle with no more product than what I originally put on the brush up towards the crease of my brow. Tiny circles, no extra product with my Sephora airbrush crease, just to make sure I've got a really soft edge before I take my next color. And using Morgana in my Pinrose collection, I'm just going to hit the outer corner of my lower lid. This is our Morgana, and that's our Panjin. So that's our first color, this is our second. We're going into our ice gold color, using a brush of indiscriminate origin. I have no idea who made that brush. So I'm going really heavy right at the lower dip of my brow, but I am not going up underneath the arch at all. Again, fading right to the brow and preserving that lovely skin tone highlight I'm so fond of. And once again, just taking my airbrush crease and just marrying up those shades. No extra product other than what's on here from the aforementioned blend. And using my shimmer and sparkle, I'm taking Volcano for the waterline. And once again, taking just the tiniest little bit of the Laura Mercier eyeshadow primer in Linen. I'm only doing about 1/3 of my eye with that particular eyeshadow primer with Sundazed. And using one of my Shimmer and Shine brushes from Sephora, I'm just winging out the corner of my eyeshadow. And I'm going to use my SHISEIDO glitter flip from London. I have to tell you, I really enjoy this liquid lipstick. This is such a cool lipstick. SHISEIDO of London glitter flip. I think I love you, babe. She is awesome. So what you're supposed to do with that particular lipstick, put it on, mush your lips together, and that brings out the glitter. I really like it. We got our mascara popped on. We got a crazy big cat's eye. And as always, I read each and every one of my comments, so feel free to let me know what you think, what you'd like to see, and what do you think about this holiday look.